Hello, how you doing? The other day, I got this comment on one of my videos, and I thought, yeah, why not? I'll show you some of my digital process, because I'm normally just drawing with pencil on a piece of paper, which is great and what you can do at home, but my process also involves a digital step. So what I thought I would do is I'd get a sketch, and for those of you who have been watching Squid Game, I did this, the two main characters there, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do from this stage through the digital drawing stage. So, stick with me. So now you're viewing my tablet screen as I see it when I'm looking down upon it, and I'm in a program called Adobe Illustrator, drawing these vector lines. Vector is just a drawing which you can resize to any scale at all, which is very, very useful. So you can see I'm just going around the outline of where I've drawn my pencil lines on the original drawing. So it's just a tracing exercise at this stage, using some slightly thicker lines around the outside and some thinner ones on the inside. I'm literally just going over the lines I've already drawn from the pencil drawing on the tablet now, and then you can make slight edits. And there we go, I didn't like that arm, so I've put that back in at a slightly different angle, change the eyes. The beauty here is you can zoom in on these sort of things, and then on to the next one, exactly the same sort of process. Smaller lines on the inside, thicker ones on the outside, so it's just like using a big felt tip, with the beauty that you can delete the lines you didn't want at this inking stage, which you obviously can't do when you're using a big black pen. So you can see it's coming to life now. You can start to see exactly where the lines are. I'm just adding the finishing touches to the line stage on this one. And then it'll move over to the Photoshop program, one that you may have heard of, for the colouring stage. So here is that image in the Photoshop program. You can see I'm just making the preparations to start the brushwork at the moment. I like to put a white layer down before I do anything else on this, just so I don't miss any and leave any sort of glaring gaps coming through. And then I'll put the base colours down. So we're literally just painting with a pen here. It's just like a stylus, like you might have seen. It looks just like a pen, but it's for drawing on a screen. And just putting a few highlights in there, so it's important to get some lighter colours for highlights, darker colours for shadows, as I've done on sort of the back of the hair there as well, referring to the images behind and putting those block colours in for the tracksuits as well. Another quick reference shot, and we have a look again at the back of the pictures. So the hair is all done, he's all done on that side. Now I'm just moving on to this one, block the colour in there. This is obviously a lot faster than I would normally do it. If I could do it this fast, I would be amazing. But I am not. I am a fool. But there we go. Look, this is all the highlights going in there, all over the hair, and neatening up the sides. And we are about done with these. And there we have it. I've just popped on a background, and it's probably quite similar to the thumbnail you saw before you clicked on this link. If you'd like to see more of my processes, please do let me know. Bye for now.